This 2008 Monaco RV Dynasty SQUIRE is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Monaco RV is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, skylight, oven, water heater, microwave, awning, air conditioning, LP detector, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2008 Monaco RV Dynasty SQUIRE is built on a Roadmaster chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.